Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of curd rice. This recipe is very popular in South India. Also, this is a very quick recipe, so let's begin. In a bowl, I am adding 1 bowl of cooked rice. You can use any kind of a rice, nothing particular. And to which I am adding 1 bowl of curd. Mix it well. Add salt to taste. For tadka, I have heated 2 spoons of ghee, to which I am adding a pinch of asafoetida or hing, few red dried chilies, few curry leaves, 1 spoon yellow urad dal for the crunch, half a spoon of cumin seeds and half spoon of mustard seeds. This is done. Mix the tadka. Guys, this recipe is a quick fix for your hunger pangs and healthy too. So, from the next time, if you feel hungry and lazy at the same time, do try this. Quickly mix this. Add some chopped coriander and this is done. Guys, if you like my recipe, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share your experiences in my comment section below. Also, share my video with your family and friends. I'll see you with some amazing recipe tomorrow.